Hello, and welcome to the podcast where today we will be discussing the book Your Inner Fish, A Journey into the 3.5 billion year history of the human body by Neil Shubin. My name is Phillip Walters, and I'm joined by Manuel deLeon. So, Manny, why don't you start us off with a summary of the book?
Alright, many popular books about the animal kingdom focus on the difference between man and animal. For instance, types of primitive behavior, or breeds of dogs, or variation in animal psychology. Neil Schumann's Your Inner Fish focuses on the underlying similarities. Schumann is a leading researcher of the relationship among prehistoric creatures and those living today. 2004, Schumann discovered a famous missing link, a famous fossil called Tiktaalik. This discovery led to many of Schumann's scientific theories. Schumann believes that there is a whole aquarium of fish in our bodies. There are many traces of fish descent in our bodies. He explains how our limbs are similar to these of fish, except that the DNA is arranged slightly different. Schumann compares our similarities to other members of the animal kingdom during this book.
Now that we have given you a summary of the book, we're going to talk about some of the big ideas that you can see in the novel. This book encompasses 3 of the 4 big ideas of life. The first big idea is that the process of evolution drives the diversity and unity of life. We can see this in Schumann's novel when he talks about how long humans have been on the earth. Humans have only existed for a short period of time, showing the diversity of life on our planet. Other species like fish have been around for far longer and have been evolving into other species.
The second main idea is that biological systems utilize free energy and molecular building blocks to grow, to reproduce, and to maintain dynamic homeostasis. This idea is seen throughout the novel, especially when he talks about humans starting as a single cell. We need energy and matter in order to grow from the single cell into a full organism. Our bodies are utilizing energy in order to grow into something more efficient.
The last main idea seen in this book is that biological systems interact and that these systems and their interactions possess complex properties. This is seen in Your Inner Fish when Schumann talks about the complexities of the human hand. Schumann says that the hand is compact and contains many different muscles and nerves in order to function. This demonstrates this main idea because our body interacts with itself and has evolved to do it in the most efficient way. Those were the main ideas of the book, so now let's talk about our favorite parts of the book. Manny, what was your favorite part?
I like the way how Schumann redefines the way that we look at the origin of mammals. It changes the way I understand it and what it means to be human.
My favorite part about this book is how Schumann explains how evolution is a gradual change. I also like the fact that he explains how we have connections to and have evolved from fish. I never knew that before. Well, that wraps up this podcast on Your Inner Fish. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.